Today, we got a special treat for you, fellow moneymakers. We've scoured the internet and discovered 15 incredible websites that can help you earn easy money on a daily basis. And the best part? You can start using these websites right away for free and without any prior expertise. Imagine having access to a wide range of money-making opportunities right from the comfort of your own home. Well, that dream is now a reality. At Luxo-Life, we believe in turning I into we and my into our. That's why we've done all the hard work for you, handpicking these user-friendly websites to ensure your success, whether you're seeking a side hustle or a full-time income. Join us on this exciting journey as we unveil these 15 websites that will open the doors to a world of financial possibilities. Regardless of your experience level, these websites are designed to help you achieve your financial goals. At Luxo-Life, we're dedicated to bringing you the latest and greatest opportunities for financial freedom. So get ready to embark on this adventure with us. Prepare to discover a world where easy money is just a click away every single day. We break these websites into 5 main categories: in-home opinion, in-home talent, outside shopping, outside physical, requires truck, van, or SUV, and lastly, anywhere selfies and personal photo commissions. In-home opinion. Let's kick things off with number 1, Google Opinion Rewards. Now, we all know that most survey websites out there are just scams, but Google Opinion Rewards is the real deal. Powered by the tech giant itself, Google Opinion Rewards offers short surveys that take just a few seconds to complete. The best part? You can do them during your daily commute, in bed at night, or even during some personal downtime. Simply download the app, respond to a few simple questions, and begin earning money that is deposited directly into your PayPal. It may not replace your day job, but hey, those extra dollars can add up fast. We rate it at a 1/2 star out of 5 stars. Next up is Enroll, a great website for user testing that enables you to make quick cash by evaluating websites and mobile apps. What sets Enroll apart is that it doesn't require a microphone or webcam, making it super convenient. By completing short usability tests and providing feedback, you can earn anywhere from 50 cents to $2. While there are other user testing websites that pay more, Enroll can still be a great addition to your money-making arsenal. It's a 1.5 stars out of 5 stars. Third is TryMyUI, a website similar to Enroll but even better. You get the chance to test websites with TryMyUI and share your candid user experience opinions. While your screen and voice are being recorded, you'll be asked to do a variety of tasks on websites or mobile apps for the testing. You receive $10 for each test, and it usually takes 20 to 30 minutes to do. The best thing is that there is no cap on how many tests you may take each day, and payments are made every Friday to your PayPal. It's a great alternative to taking surveys and offers a more rewarding experience. To get started, visit the TryMyUI website, create a free account, and start earning money by testing websites. TryMyUI gets a solid 4 stars out of 5 from us. Finally, in this category, there is UserTesting.com, which is frequently referred to as the Apple of the survey and user testing industries. Unlike other survey websites that offer low-paying surveys, UserTesting.com provides well-paying opportunities to give valuable feedback to major companies. Some of the biggest firms in the world use UserTesting.com to learn more about their products. And they're happy to pay a lot for input from actual users. You can earn $4 for a 5-minute survey, $10 for a 20-minute survey, and between $30 and $120 for live interviews that can last up to an hour. UserTesting.com focuses on usability and customer experience testing, which involves testing websites, apps, and physical products. To get started, you'll need a computer, internet, microphone, and a PayPal account for payment. Simply visit UserTesting.com, click on Get Paid to Test, enter your email, and follow the instructions to begin. With UserTesting.com, you can make extra money while helping brands improve their products and experiences. We give it a perfect 5 stars out of 5. In-home talent. While you might be familiar with freelance platforms like Upwork and Freelancer, let us introduce you to ClearVoice. An online marketplace for freelance writers called ClearVoice was just bought by Fiverr. What sets ClearVoice apart is its unique approach to freelancing. Unlike other platforms where freelancers bid on projects, ClearVoice eliminates the bidding process. Instead, you submit your portfolio of work, set your desired rate, and ClearVoice automatically assigns you to jobs that match your profile. Freelancers using ClearVoice can earn anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per assignment, and some tasks can be completed in less than a day. It's a refreshing change that allows you to focus on your skills and worth rather than engaging in a race to the bottom. We give ClearVoice a 3 stars out of 5. If you're a good listener and have excellent typing skills, you can make money from the comfort of your home by transcribing audio or video files. Companies utilize Scribble, a transcription service to turn speeches, meetings, phone chats, and even YouTube videos into text. Even though it might not appear glamorous, many businesses are prepared to pay top bucks for this service. To get started, all you need is a computer, internet, and a PayPal for payments. Having a great keyboard and wrist support is also beneficial. New typists can make up to $800 a month, while more seasoned ones can make up to $3,200. Not bad for a work-for-home opportunity. We give Scribble a 3.5 stars out of 5. Next, we have a website called Fiverr, which you're probably familiar with. While Fiverr is known for selling various services like logo design and video editing, it also offers an opportunity to make money by providing unique and creative services. Whether it's dressing up as a character, creating funny videos, or offering unconventional services, Fiverr allows you to monetize your creativity. Even if you lack a particular ability, you can make money doing almost everything. Many people on Fiverr are making substantial incomes, with some earning over 6 figures per year. We give Fiverr a 4.5 out of 5 stars for its versatility and income potential. Outside shopping. Now let's talk about Second to None. This secret shopper website lets you earn extra income by performing tasks like shopping and dining out. As an independent contractor, you have the freedom to choose assignments that interest you. You can work as a secret shopper and earn up to $20 per hour if you have a cell phone, internet, and transportation. The fact that Second to None was chosen as Inc.'s best place to work in 2019 is understandable. This comes up at a 1.5 star out of 5. You can get paid to have fun on MarketForce, a website that performs mystery shopping. The company's taglines, "Get paid to shop, eat, or play." As a mystery shopper, your job is to visit various establishments like stores, restaurants, or movie theaters, and act like a regular customer while taking notes and compiling a report. These reports are then provided to third-party companies like MarketForce. The pay for mystery shopping varies depending on the difficulty of the task and the location you visit, but on average, you can expect to earn around $20 per hour. Not too shabby. We'll give it a 2.5 stars out of 5. Now let's move forward to GigWalk, a website that offers small jobs for businesses and lets you earn money effortlessly. The projects on GigWalk can include everything from photographing grocery shelves to reviewing restaurant menus to keeping an eye on precision and quality at business events. Tasks can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours to complete, and payments can range from $3 to $100 depending on their intricacy. Anyone who wants to earn some extra cash for spending or maybe an additional paycheck can do so by using this program. Starting is quick and simple. You only need to download the GigWalk app on your Apple or Android device, create an account, respond to a few simple questions, link your PayPal, and you're all set. Our rating for GigWalk is 3 stars out of 5. Field Agent is next on our list, a platform that allows you to earn extra money by completing simple tasks for big companies. With Field Agent, you can gather information, take photos, share opinions, and perform various tasks that help brands and retailers. The best part is that many of these tasks can be done while going about your daily routine. For example, you can snap photos of marketing materials and stores to ensure proper presentation. By completing these tasks, you not only make money but also contribute to improving products and experiences for millions of people. Field Agent is the legitimate way to earn money, and the app provides immediate payment after task completion. To get started, download the app, reserve and complete a job, and once approved, you'll receive direct deposit to your bank account. People claim to be able to make between $100 and $300 every day for only a few hours of work. We give Field Agent a solid 4 out of 5 stars. Outside, requires truck, SUV, or van, and is physical. Let's talk scooters. Lime, known for its zesty fruit and sustainable scooters, offers a money-making opportunity known as lime juicing. Your job as a lime juicer is to collect lime scooters off the streets, charge them up, and then drop them off at specific locations. Simple, right? Juicers can earn around $8 per scooter, and some have reported earning up to $30 per hour. Talk about juicing limes for some sweet cash. We give lime juicing a 2.5 stars out of 5. We've got another scooter company that can help you make some extra cash by charging scooters. It's called Bird. Although Bird functions somewhat differently from Lime, there's really more room for profit with Bird. You need to download the app and register as a Bird flyer to get started. At first, you'll be a level 1 flyer, but as you complete tasks, you can level up and unlock additional perks and higher paying charging tasks. For instance, once you reach level 2, you'll have access to more lucrative scooters to collect and charge. Each scooter you pick up earns you a base price of $5, but the payout increases for more challenging scooters. Some active Bird flyers have reported making up to $100 per night by collecting and charging scooters. Efficiency is key, and having a pickup truck, SUV, or van can be a big advantage since you can collect more scooters compared to a smaller vehicle. We give Bird flying a solid 2.5 stars out of 5. Anywhere, selfies, and personal photo commissions. Feeling artsy? Well, get ready for Fope, the website that allows you to sell your smartphone photos to big-name brands like Bank of America, Kraft, Sony, and Volvo. Snap a selfie, capture your delicious meal, or even that artsy sailboat photo, and upload them to Fope. When someone purchases your photo, you'll get a 50-50 split of the profits. Plus, you can earn even more through Fope's missions. Just follow the brief and submit photos that match what the brand is looking for. It's a fantastic way to turn your smartphone pics into cold, hard cash. We give Fope a 2-star out of 5. What if you could monetize the pictures you post on Instagram and actually make money from them? Well, Snapwire offers you that opportunity. Similar to Fope, Snapwire allows you to sell your photos, videos, graphic designs, and artwork to brands worldwide and earn top dollar for your creative work. There are 2 ways to make money on this platform. First, you can upload high-quality content to your portfolio, and when someone purchases it, you earn a commission. Second, If you satisfy the conditions for challenges or competitions issued by clients, you can enter. If your work is picked, you'll get paid more. The best thing is you get to keep 100% of your revenue, which can range from $25 to several $100s depending on the client's request. Congrats, Snapwire! Our rating is a 3 stars out of 5. And that wraps up today's video, folks. We've shared some incredible websites that can help you earn extra money from the comfort of your home. It's been an exciting journey exploring these opportunities together, and we hope you found them as fascinating as we did. Now it's your turn to take action. Are you ready to start making some extra cash? Then head over to Luxo-Life, our YouTube channel dedicated to exploring ways to live a luxurious life without breaking the bank. We'll continue to provide you with valuable content, tips, and tricks to help you level up your financial gain. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from Luxo-Life. Join our community of savvy individuals who are ready to unlock the secrets of financial success. And here's our question for you. Have you tried any of the websites we mentioned in this video? If so, we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Share your success stories, challenges, and tips you have for fellow viewers. Remember, it's all about taking that first step towards a brighter financial future. So go ahead, click that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey together. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.